Hello, I'm Ryan, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Northern Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the administrator password for an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Windows instance. Let's get started. After logging into the AWS Management Console, we can navigate to the Amazon EC2 console. Next, we can go ahead and select Instances. We can create a temporary/helper instance that is in the same availability zone as the instance that needs the password reset, or a running instance that can be connected by using RDP in the same availability zone can be used. For demonstration purposes, let's create a helper instance. It's best practice to create a backup of the instance that requires the password reset by creating a snapshot or an AMI backup before making any changes to the original instance. You should consider any changes that will occur when the instance is stopped. For example, if the instance doesn't have an Elastic IP address allocated, then the public IP will change. As soon as the backup is completed, go ahead and stop the instance by selecting the instance, Instance State, Stop Instance. When the instance is fully stopped, navigate to the Storage tab and then select the root EBS volume. The root EBS volume can be identified by the device name /dev/sda1. Now select the volume, go to Actions and choose Detach. After we refresh to verify that the volume state shows as available, detach the root volume of the instance and attach it to the helper instance mentioned previously in the same availability zone. After the volume is attached as a secondary drive, connect to the helper instance by using RDP. When you're connected to the instance, we can go ahead and download EC2 Rescue from our AWS public documentation and then extract the folder. We can now run the EC2 Rescue application and go through the launch wizard. Select Offline Instance and make sure that the correct volume was provided by confirming the amount of storage and device name. Next, choose Diagnose and Rescue to reset the administrator password. Now that the password is reset, you can finish up using EC2 Rescue and disconnect from the helper instance. After disconnecting from the helper instance, go ahead and attach the EBS root volume back to the original affected instance by stopping the helper instance. The key thing to note here is to attach the Amazon EBS root volume with the device name as /dev/sda1. Finally, start the original instance and confirm that the password was reset. So now you know how to reset the administrator password for an EC2 Windows instance. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.